Hello everyone. So hope you all doing well. And the topic today I'm going to address is regarding this. There is a scam going on regarding the training and certification industry, especially in India. So most of you who are using LinkedIn actively might have known about this. There are some people from LinkedIn who send you messages like they kind of provide you will receive the direct messages like you will be receiving the training and certification from them like PMP certification, AWS or Google Cloud, ITIL foundations, etc., etc. And 100% pass guaranteed. So this is kind of it's not a training, just a certification they will provide by doing some kind of illegal activities to make sure you get the certification and those people get the money. So this is what is currently happening in India and the other people. I mean, there are other parts of the world. I know people have received the same messages. So one of my friend who has gone through this kind of process to get a certification quickly, and what has happened to him was very weird, and he felt scammed and cheated. So I'm going to explain the entire process, how it works uh, from start to end. So one of my friend from India, so he's interested to finish an exam, some foundation level of AWS exam, which he was waiting to complete the exam within kind of 1 or 2 months. Uh, when he's preparing for the exam, it was a day he suddenly received a message on a LinkedIn, and there was a person uh, probably with a fake name. I don't think it's a real name of the person. So just hold on a minute. I'll read the message for you. So you will receive this kind of message like get trained and certified for sure. And they provide the list of certification like CISA, CISM, CRISC, PMP, TOGAF, GMAT, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, AWS, Scrum, ITIL, Prince DevOps, Safe Agile, ISO, COBIT, CCNA, CCNP, etc. So this message you will get from I think it's kind of a fake ID or a fake profile. So these persons represent themselves as kind of a business development manager. The real person is hiding under the fake profile in LinkedIn. So what their job is, they try to reach out to all these candidates, and they just send the bulk message to everyone. And so once you contact them, like I'm interested or kind of some kind of response you provide to them, so they will ask you a mobile number and call you and reach out to you, and they will explain the process. What is the process and how they do? The first thing they will do is like they ask you to schedule the exam by paying your own money. For example, if you are intended to take AWS or Azure exam, you need to uh, register for the exam and show them the schedule. So they will ask you, they will provide the further instructions, what kind of computer you need to use, computer configurations and other things they will provide. So most of the time they won't allow you to use the office computers that is protected by antivirus softwares like Symantec or any other licensed softwares, licensed antivirus installed in a corporate network. So those kind of computers they won't prefer, although they won't prefer, and they ask the candidates to use the personal laptop or a PC uh, for their personal use, and they specifically ask you to disable the antivirus softwares. So the reason why they ask you to disable the antivirus softwares or personal laptop is like they will install certain tools or softwares in your system to control your computer or take your exam on your behalf, even though it is a proctored exam where there is a proctor watching you on a webcam and your system control is completely taken by those institute people, the training providers who provide the training. So one of the guy take control of your computer and you pretend kind of you pretend like uh, you pretend like you are like just doing the exam, but your keyboard and your entire computer is in others control you, but the proctor only see your face and he can assume like okay, you are doing the exam, you are the only person doing the exam, not someone else. So this is what happened initially. What they do is they install some kind of a they ask you to download some remote desktop softwares like team viewer or something like that. Then they transfer file to your laptop, a couple of exe files or something, but those files are something easily detected by any antivirus software. It's kind of a Trojan, I think, Trojan horse that basically hide in your system, and the attacker can control your computer without anyone knowing. Basically, if you use the TeamViewer or some other software, you can see this TeamViewer or other softwares in the background. But the softwares, what they are going to use for in your system is like a Trojan horse or something. Kind of, it is easily detected in your computer by a malware. So this is how this process works. It's not completely legal, and I won't encourage anyone uh, to go for this kind of this way of doing certification. Definitely it will put you in trouble in case if they mess up something and you get caught by AWS, they may permanently ban your eligibility to appear for the AWS certifications or any Azure certifications. So I know many certification bodies in cybersecurity, when they found the students are cheating, they permanently ban them for the lifetime. They can't take any certification. For example, kind of offensive security, EC Council. So I'm not sure about EC Council, but offensive security have the strict policy of banning the students if they caught cheating. So it may happen. For example, if you want to give your control to your laptop's control to other person who control and who come to take the exam, and it has been found by the proctor or some whoever the certification provider. So it is a high chance of banning you from the exam, and along with that you will lose your money registered for the exam. So I wouldn't encourage anyone to follow those such kind of practices. So study well, take your exam. It's okay if you fail once or twice, and try until you pass. So instead of going through this kind of shortcut to save time or something, so it's definitely not going to help you in your interview process or anywhere. The only thing you get by, uh, I mean, or the only thing you can achieve by showing certification on your resume just to get shortlisted on an interview. But the interview process, it depends on what you learned and what you learned through the certification and the technical knowledge. That is the only thing going to help you during the interviews, not the certification. I mean, not all the stuff you mentioned on the resume. So, so with this, I'm going to end this video, and please like comment and share this video if this really interests you, and share it to your friends as well. Thank you very much.